out and check on our citizens to see if they're well and if they need any care whatsoever, care, food, water.
Obviously, we have a lot of power outages, a lot of snow and ice on the ground, and so we've got roughly 150 plus soldiers here behind me going out. I think we can cover a lot of ground. Some of these same soldiers were here in the summertime when we had the power outages and a lot of trees down in St. Louis, so soldiers are ready to go. They're always happy to help citizens. A lot of them live here.
Yeah, and it's real cold, you know, so I don't know what's going to go down, but I hope everything be all right, though, you know. Yeah, I think we're going to be checking in the shelter in a minute or a hotel so that we can keep cool and that we can eat and take showers and bath because, you know, that the water, that's not working.
The electric is out, you know, and ain't no hot water, so we're just trying to do the best we can.
About 160 going out into the city to places where there are power outages and talking to citizens, knocking on doors saying, are you okay? Do you need medical help? Do you need transportation? What do you need?